So what is a contract management? Now let's start with the definition of the contract. A procurement contract is a written agreement between a buyer and a seller in which the buyer agrees to purchase goods or services from the seller in exchange for payment for this transaction. So the contract, it's a legally binding document between two parties where they agree on such terms and conditions. So the procurement contract states that each party obligations includes detailed price list, payment information, conditions of delivery, legal terms and conditions, the bill of quantity. So the contract, you can say, it has three main parts: the commercial part, the technical part, and the legal part. Um, Now, the contract management is the process of managing the contracts made a part of legal documentation of forging work relationship with customers, vendors, or partners. So the contract management compromises negotiating the terms and conditions in contract. It also includes certifying compliance with the terms and conditions as well as documenting and agreeing on any changes or by both the parties. So it is a process of managing, executing, analyzing the management of contract efficiently. The contract has terms and conditions in which the buyer has a role, a main role as a procurement professional to manage the contract execution to make sure it is executed as agreed with the supplier to process this contract. So for the financial part, we would follow up on the payment terms with the supplier and our finance team in order to process this payment. For the technical part, our technical team who is handling this project is making sure that the project is executed as per the contract, and in case the requester has any comments about the supplier performance, we can always go back to the contract to make sure that the supplier is executing this contract as agreed in the terms and conditions of this contract. That's it for the contract definition. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next section.